Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga with Shweta. Today we are going to do a quick morning yoga stretch routine. This routine is great for stretching out your entire body in the morning, improves metabolism and helps in weight loss. So let's get started.
Stand with your feet hip distance apart. Now inhale and raise your arms above your head and point your fingers towards the sky. Exhale and slowly bring them down to your side. Inhale and raise your arms upward. Exhale and bring them down to your sides. Inhale and raise them up. Exhale and bring them down to your sides. Place both your hands on your hip. Raise your right hand up. Inhale and bend towards your left. Feel the stretch on your sides. Inhale and come back. Raise your left hand up. Inhale and bend towards your right. Inhale and come back to starting position. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and bend forward. Feel the tension release from your back. Relax in this position. Now, release your arm and come back to standing position. Inhale and lift your arms upward for a back bend. Bend backwards as far as you are comfortable. Exhale and come back to standing position. Widen the gap between your feet. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and bend forward from your hips. Place your right hand in the middle between your feet. Raise your left hand up and twist. Breathe normally and try to open up your chest with every breath to get a good stretch. Bring your left arm down and place it in the middle between your feet and do the same with your right hand. Exhale and bring your right hand back. Slowly rise up to standing. Extend both your arms. Point your right toe outwards, bend sideways and touch your right ankle with your right hand. Breathe normally. Inhale and come up. Then repeat this on your left side. Bring your feet back to hip distance apart. Join your palms at the heart center. Extend your hip backwards and squat to Malasana pose. Try to push your knees back with your elbows. Inhale, come back to standing position.